Imagine a massive storm is on the way. The news warns you, heavy rain, powerful winds. Would you just sit and hope for the best? Of course not. You'd close your windows, lock your doors, gather food, water, and supplies. You'd prepare. Cybersecurity works the exact same way. Hackers are the storm, and cybersecurity is how we prepare. In this video, I'll explain what cybersecurity really means, why it matters, and what security professionals do to keep organizations safe. No jargon, just clear examples anyone can understand. Hey everyone, welcome to SecureStart AU. We're starting from the basics and moving all the way to becoming certified in cybersecurity. Join me, learn step by step, and let's build our future in cyber together. Don't just watch, follow along and be part of the journey. When the storm arrives, it batters your home. Maybe water leaks through the roof. You quickly patch it up so the damage doesn't spread. That's exactly what happens during a security incident. An organization gets attacked, maybe through a phishing email or a hacked server. Security teams step in quickly, patch the leak, and minimize the damage. The goal isn't to stop every storm. The goal is to reduce the risk, prepare the defenses, and respond fast when something breaks through. What is cybersecurity? So let's define it. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting networks, devices, and data from unauthorized access or criminal use. Think of it like the digital seatbelt of our lives. At the core of cybersecurity is something called the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means only the right people have access. A strong password is like the key to your front door. Integrity means your information stays accurate. Nobody secretly changes it behind your back. Availability means your data and systems are up and running when you need them, like making sure your door opens when you turn the key. Together, these three pillars make up the foundation of cybersecurity. Threat actors. But who are we protecting against? In cybersecurity, we call them threat actors. That's just a fancy word for anyone who could pose a risk. There are external threats: hackers, cybercriminals, attackers from outside the company trying to break in. And then there are internal threats. These can be current or former employees, contractors, or trusted partners. Sometimes the threat is accidental, like someone clicking a malicious link. Other times it's intentional, like stealing company data or abusing access for personal gain. The scary truth? Sometimes the biggest risk isn't the stranger outside the door. It's the person already inside. Why cybersecurity matters? So why does cybersecurity matter so much? First, compliance. Organizations have to follow rules and laws that protect users' data. Failing to do so can mean big fines and legal problems. Second, business continuity. Security plans keep systems running even if there's an attack. Think of it like a generator that keeps the lights on during a storm. Third, cost savings. It's far cheaper to prevent an attack than to recover from one. Breaches cost companies millions of dollars. And finally, trust. If a business loses customer trust, it loses business. Once trust is broken, it's very hard to rebuild. That's why cybersecurity isn't just about technology. It's about protecting people and reputations. Cybersecurity careers. Now let's talk about the people who make all this possible. Security analysts and SOC analysts are like the emergency responders of the digital world. They watch the alarms, investigate suspicious activity, and patch vulnerabilities before they turn into disasters. Information security specialists focus on building strong defenses and making sure systems meet compliance standards. The good news is, these are entry-level roles that anyone can work toward. And by learning step by step, just like you're doing now, you can start your journey toward one of these jobs. So let's recap. Cybersecurity is about preparing for storms, minimizing risks, patching leaks, and protecting what matters most: people, data, and trust. And this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore the different types of cyber threats and how they actually work. If this video helped you, please like and comment. Your support pushes me to keep making step-by-step beginner content. And share this with anyone who dreams of starting a career in cybersecurity but doesn't know where to begin. If you're a beginner and want to learn cybersecurity step by step, subscribe now and join me on this journey. Because the storm is coming, and the best defense is preparation.